Pharmaquip's Brahmi DUO is a revolutionary automatic vision inspection machine designed for the pharma industry that supports all types of pills. In the fast-paced world of pharmaceutical manufacturing, quality control is paramount. Every tablet, hardgel, or softgel capsule that leaves the production line must meet strict standards to ensure the safety and efficacy of the medication. Accura Pharmaquip understands the importance of maintaining these high standards, which is why we introduced the revolutionary Brahmi DUO automatic vision inspection machine designed for the pharma industry, supporting all types of pills. The Brahmi DUO is a cutting-edge technology that is designed to automatically detect and separate defective tablets and capsules before they move on to the packaging stage. With a staggering speed of up to 360,000 plus pills per hour, this machine is capable of swiftly and accurately identifying over 12 plus typical defects on the go. This level of efficiency ensures that only the highest quality products make it to the hands of consumers without any compromise. One of the key benefits of the Brahmi DUO is its ability to streamline the inspection process and save valuable time and resources for pharmaceutical companies. By automating the quality control process, the machine allows companies to operate round the clock, 7 days a week, without any dip in efficiency or quality. This not only increases productivity, but also reduces the risk of human error, ensuring consistent and reliable inspection results every time.
The accuracy and precision of the Brahmi DUO make it a game changer for pharmaceutical manufacturers. Its advanced technology enables it to detect a wide range of defects, including size variations, cracks, chips, and foreign particles, with exceptional speed and efficiency. This level of thorough inspection gives companies the confidence that their products meet the highest standards of quality and safety. Furthermore, the Brahmi DUO is equipped with intuitive software that allows for easy customization of inspection parameters, making it versatile and adaptable to different types and sizes of pills and capsules. This flexibility ensures that the machine can meet the unique needs of each pharmaceutical company, regardless of the scale of their operations. In conclusion, Accura Pharmaquip's Brahmi DUO automatic vision inspection machine is a revolutionary solution that sets a new standard for quality control in the pharmaceutical industry. Its speed, accuracy, and efficiency make it an indispensable tool for ensuring the integrity of medication manufacturing processes. By investing in this state-of-the-art technology, pharmaceutical companies can enhance their quality control measures, improve productivity, and ultimately deliver safer and more reliable products to consumers.